I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Blink Blinkit app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down, then you click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here. So in here you're looking for Blinkit app or just click on search. Then here add Blinkit app. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do just click here on first stop. Click on OK. So then you go down. Sorry. So when you click it here on first stop, then you click on OK. You go down. Click here on storage. Come to storage list here. Click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.